Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog, Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm going to be talking about what I'm carrying in my handbag for my trip to Europe. I am going to be bringing this, it's a To-Me backpack style purse, and you can either wear it kind of slung, like with one strap slung over your shoulder, or this actually unzips and you can wear it like a backpack also. So I don't normally wear this bag, but I wanted to be able to bring like a bottle of water with me and stuff like that. So without further ado, I'm going to get started with going in here. First and foremost, big tip for traveling to Europe is to take a Visa card. We usually use American Express because we like to get those points for airline tickets and stuff, but a lot of places in Europe do not accept American Express, so you definitely want to make sure that you have a Visa credit card or Visa or MasterCard. It doesn't matter which one. The next thing is I've decanted some Advil and Benadryl into these little bags. Usually I have food allergies, so I always like to have Benadryl on me, and I don't like to just have like one tiny one because then I can't always find it when I need it. So these are obvious. I know what they are. And I have this little bag. I actually got this when I was in Taiwan, and I'm just sticking these in here. I always like to buy little like trinkets like that, so when I'm doing something else, I have fond memories of another trip that I took or whatever. And since there's room in here, I'm also going to put these packets of stevia, just in case I'm at a place where they don't have stevia. And this has two different compartments. In the front compartment is where I'm putting like these like medicines and the stevia, and then I have two different lipsticks that I'll stick in here also, probably in this back pouch. I have eyelash extensions, and so I carry around a little mascara brush just in case something becomes out of whack. And then I also have this is a flosser, so I have different like little dental sticks in there too. And then this is just a chapstick. So just in case, a lot of times my husband will be the one that wants the chapstick, or he'll ask me for Advil, so I like to have it on hand. I'm good like that. So then in the back part, I'm going to put this comb in case anything gets out of place, and this is a hair stick that I can put my hair up if I need to. And then my EpiPen, which I can't leave home without, of course. So that's going to go in that same like back pocket of this thing. And then I'm bringing a couple of these Zigo bars because they're allergy friendly. They don't have any nuts or anything in them that I'm allergic to, and they're organic, so I think these will be like a good snack to have if we aren't, like if we're on the road and I'm hungry for something or whatever. I have something that is actually not terrible for me to eat. So I'm packing those in this little pocket. And then I have my passport. This is from the last time I was in Portugal, and you can get these anywhere in Europe. It's the Vodafone chip, and so I saved this one from last year when we went, and so I think it still has some time on it, and I can just buy a new one when I get to the airport in Lisbon if I want to, or else I can wait till I run out of this one. But it makes it so I can use my phone. I just changed the SIM card to a Vodafone SIM card while I'm there, so I don't get crazy charges on my Verizon. So that is a good tip too. And then depending on what you're doing, like, so I have my passport. Obviously I'm taking my passport, and I'll keep that in this back part where I can actually zip it in, so I know that I'm not going to accidentally drop it somewhere. The other thing, I'm going to probably put this in there too, and I have an international driving permit. You have to bring your driver's license, and you have to get a permit before you go from AAA if you are going to be driving in Europe. And this is the first time that we are getting a car, so it ought to be interesting. And so we each got our license just in case, something happened and he wanted me to drive. Usually my husband drives. Everybody's happier that way. So anyway, those are then this is actually kind of funny. It's a little puppy poopy bag, but I like to have this because like if I I eat something or whatever that might be like sticky, I don't like to just throw it away or hold it or put it in my purse with and wait to throw it away. So I'll put it in something like this, and then I can stick it in the car door, and it doesn't take up any space in here. So that is it. I hope that you like this video. It's a quick one, but it's just the basics of what's going to be in my bag. And I wanted to leave room, and there's plenty of room in here, so I can have, like, you know, a water or, you know, whatever else. If I buy stuff, I can stick it in here, and I don't have to carry too many things. So, oh, and then there's a little pocket in front here that I have an eyeglass holder. You could put, like, glasses in here or your phone. If it's my iPhone 8, I have an 8S, and it fits it in the front pocket, so it's convenient. So anyway, I hope you liked this video, and let me know what you thought in the comments. If I should be bringing something that I'm missing, please let me know. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. I'm doing a series of packing. One is for the suitcase, one is for the carry-on, and one is for my handbag and day bag. I think I'm using this instead of my Longchamp for my day bag because it will fit stuff in it, and I can just put it on as a backpack too. So I don't think I'm taking my Longchamp on this trip after all. But anyway, thank you so much for watching.